Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you whether Shein has gift cards. So yes, Shein does offer electronic gift card that you can purchase directly from the application or their website. This gift card is a convenient way to shop for Shein's products and can also be sent as gifts to a friend or your family. So I want to say some key details about these gift cards. Those gift cards can be redeemed only for eligible purchases on Shein website or mobile application. That means that they cannot be used to buy products for third-party sellers or for Shein Club membership. The next thing I wanted to mention is that when you buy a gift card, you need to provide your billing information, and the gift card you bought will be emailed to the address you specify during the purchase. The next thing I wanted to mention that Shein gift cards purchased do not expire, and they do not, let's say, decrease in value over time. And the last thing, but not least, that only one gift card can be redeemed per one order. And that means that they cannot be combined with other gift cards for the same purchase. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.